ang puso ko talaga maka-Pilipino.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ay, ikaw
And
ba?
this is
Ganun din?
Ganun din ako. Yeah.
Yes.
And that's why we want to do this for RIPA in Sacramento chapter. Kasi nga,
Yes.
we feel like we need it here. Kailangan natin dito
We
yan.
needed.
Right?
Lumalaki na
At
talaga,
lumalaki talaga
ang
siya.
community dito. The whole entire Sacramento region from Elk Grove to Sacramento to
County,
Roseville.
yes,
I mean,
yes.
we're like getting, bigger and bigger. Inaanyayahan ko po kayo.
Yes.
We're gonna have a booth for the Filipino Fiesta this June 1st, Sunday, here at the Saracel Community Center and Park sa May Florin Road here in Sacramento.
Correct.
Taon-taon po ginagawa namin ito, and we will have a booth there. Come by, say hi, and get this Filipino flags.
Flag.
Namimigay po kami.
Yes.
And also, we wanted to announce,
Yeah.
meron tayong special announcement.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. This is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is...
Alvin Reyes with Supreme Landing.
And welcome to our episode 77 of Bahay Pinoy sa Tate! Hello, Alvin!
Hello.
Welcome back!
I know. Binawal, pero it's
Yes.
nice.
Teka muna,
Excited ako.
may flag tayo dito.
Dito muna tayo.
Yes.
Yan.
Dahil parating na.
Nandito na.
Nandito na.
Nandito na.
Well, ang ating Philippine Independence Day
Correct. Yes,
is
right.
coming up soon.
That's right. Sa June
12.
12.
Yes,
Okay.
Philippine Independence Day.
Correct.
Okay.
And we will be there in, dito sa Elk Grove, di ba?
Yes, oo. Inaanyayahan ko po kayo.
Yes.
We're gonna have a booth for the Filipino Fiesta this June 1st, Sunday, here at the Saracel Community Center and Park sa May Florin Road here in Sacramento.
Correct.
Taon-taon po ginagawa namin ito, and we will have a booth there. Come by, say hi, and get this Filipino flags.
Flag.
Namimigay po kami.
Yes.
And also, we wanted to actually announce.
Yeah.
Meron tayong special announcement.
Yes, correct.
We are really excited that we are able to open the Sacramento chapter for the Filipino American Real Estate Professional Association dito po sa Sacramento.
Correct.
Yes, and actually, ang inyong lingkod is gonna be the founding president, Elizabeth Velasco. And thank you, Alvin, for volunteering to become one of the board of directors.
My pleasure. Very excited as well. Yes.
So, speaking of FARIPA,
Yes.
actually, yun po yung abbreviation niya.
FARIPA.
So, pag-usapan natin,
Yes.
ano ba ang mission ng Filipino American Real Estate Professional Association
Yes.
dito sa Sacramento.
Sacramento.
So, ang mission po nitong organization na to is to elevate Filipino American voices in real estate by fostering excellence, building community, and promoting leadership through the unity and collaboration.
Correct.
So kasi gusto nating magkaisa-isa ang mga Pilipino at magkaroon tayo ng tinatawag na representation.
Correct.
Di ba?
Correct. Oo.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a
So,
good thing.
Alvin, do you wanted to share with
Yeah.
them kung ano ba ang vision ng ating organization?
Of course. And
Yes.
our main vision is to
Yes.
be catalyst for professionals' growth and community transformation where Filipino American real estate professionals are empowered, connected, and leading with purpose.
Yeah, with
Magandang vision.
purpose,
Yeah.
di ba?
Mhm.
Oo. Kasi importante yun eh. Kailangan natin, okay,
Bakit ba?
bakit ba?
Oo.
Bakit ko ba ginagawa
Ano ba
to,
meaning
di ba?
natin, di ba, by
Yes,
doing
oo.
this? Oo.
And I'm really like, what we call, I'm really passionate. Alam mo naman yun, di ba?
Yes.
Kaya nga, we've been having this
Yes.
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate, Usap Pinoy.
Oo.
Kasi talagang, ang puso ko talaga maka-Pilipino.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ay, ikaw
And
ba?
this is
Ganun din?
Ganun din ako. Yeah.
Yes.
And that's why we want to do this for RIPA in Sacramento chapter. Kasi nga,
Yes.
we feel like we need it here. Kailangan natin
We
dito yan.
need it. Oo.
Especially dito sa Sacramento.
Oo
There's a lot of
nga.
Filipinos here,
At
right?
lumalaki na
At
talaga,
lumalaki talaga
ang
siya.
community dito. The whole entire Sacramento region from Elk Grove to Sacramento
County,
to
Roseville, yes,
I mean,
yes.
we're like getting, bigger and
Mhm,
bigger.
mhm.
Alam mo ba na magbubukas ang Seafood City dito sa Elk Grove?
See, sabi ko sa'yo, that
Binili-
means one thing, di ba?
Yes.
Nakikita na nila yung ano dito, yung market.
Oo nga. Kasi alam mo naman, syempre, on any negosyo,
Okay.
tinitingnan nila kung nasaan ba ang market, nasaan ba ang mga customers
Yeah, they
nila.
normally have a visibility study first before they even put in a business, especially sa mga ganong klaseng
Correct. And I'm
Asian
glad that
Yeah.
they're coming kasi hindi na ako pupunta sa South Sacramento sa may Mac Road
Mm-mm,
para
Yeah.
mamalengke.
Correct.
Nandito na.
Andito na, malapit na. Around the
Yes.
corner lang, right?
At saka hindi lang yun. Alam mo ba, syempre, pag nagbubukas ng Seafood City, nandyan na ang Chowking.
Oo nga, tama.
Yes.
Andyan na lahat.
Alam mo, ang favorite breakfast ko,
Oh, ano yun?
doon, nasa Chowking.
Chowking, no?
Paborito ko siya kasi
Oh.
yung mayroong itlog na sinangag at saka
Oo.
yung pritong, ano ba yun? yung pritong bangus?
Bangus, oo.
Anong tawag doon? Bangon silog?
Bangus, basilog.
Ay, basilog.
Basilog ang tawag doon.
Basilog pala. Paborito
Tsaka
ko yun.
masarap
Tsaka
yung
may
siopaw
longganisa.
nila. Oo, sarap yung siopaw ng Chowking.
Hindi, teka muna, yung ano ko may longganisa
Oh,
din.
may
Anong
gusto-
tawag doon? Bango silog?
Mixture na yun. Balo-silog.
Kasi may,
Grabe na yun, ha? Sobrang
bangus
combination
at
na yan, ha?
may
Ginugutom
bangus.
tuloy ako. Grabe naman to. Anyway, itong Faripa
Yes.
na ginagawa namin, we're
Yes.
really excited about this because number one, yung mga member namin dito are also Filipinos lahat.
Oo, Filipino actually.
Oh, it is a Filipino,
Yeah, it's a
type of thing.
Filipino, what we call it, organization.
Organization,
Pero it's
oo.
open to everyone.
Yes, yes,
Kaya nga tawag
yes.
Filipino-American.
Correct.
Yes,
Yeah.
oo.
And we're excited to introduce this kasi we really want to we want to reach out, 'di ba, sa mga
Yes.
kapwa loan officers or realtors natin as well, especially
or everybody,
everybody,
in the real
right?
estate industry, like title officers,
Correct.
title companies,
within the business.
home
mhm.
warranty,
Yeah,
roofers,
Lahat.
diba?
Appraisal or appraiser.
Appraiser,
Oo.
what we call it, yung mga pest inspectors,
Correct.
home inspectors,
Yung mga
and-
stagers natin, di ba? Yung mga
Stagers, correct.
partners natin dyan.
yes,
Marami yan,
painters, like everybody and anybody. So this is gonna be a good platform to network.
Network as well and
Yes.
meet other people within the business.
Correct.
diba?
Kasi alam
Circles.
naman natin na being a realtor or being in the real estate industry could be a lonely business.
Correct.
Kasi,
Oo.
you wake up every day unemployed, di ba?
Oo,
So, you don't really have a cheerleader that tells you this and that, okay? So, iba yung, you have other people that your peers that
Yeah.
you'll be able
Yeah.
to get resources from, get
Be
empowered,
connected with other people as well.
oo,
Yeah.
and collaborate.
Makes sense.
Kasi
yeah.
napaka, especially with our industry, importante yung collaboration.
Yeah. And I love our Faripa
Yes.
organization here in chapter in
Sacramento.
Sacramento because we have a platform di ba? Like I said, we do have sponsorship, meron tayo and then with that, meron tayong pag naging member tayo dyan,
Yes.
meron tayong tinatawag na we have some kind of a training
Yes.
the next level where we could kind of like, hey, do you need any help on this or anything in putting value in your business? We have
Correct.
that.
Oo, yeah.
Oo.
And thank you for volunteering as a part of the sponsorship
Sponsorship. Oo nga
committee.
eh. Mm-mm.
Oo, so kailangan galingan mo, Alvin.
Oo nga, ito na, nag-iisip na ako sino ba pwede
Oo,
natin
oo.
maging sponsor.
Hindi.
Kung gusto ninyo,
Correct.
ako, andito ako.
Yes,
I'll tell you
oo.
what you guys have, okay?
He will be
Yeah.
the what we call our sponsorship committee chair.
Yes.
So we have different packages.
Yes,
Meron tayong perlas,
Perlas,
ginto, at
at
saka
diamantes.
diamante
Oo,
package.
oo, oo.
So kung interesado po
Yes,
kayo,
yes.
please contact Alvin. And
Yes.
what's your number?
925-667-1205. And of course, we're going to be throughout the process, we're going to give you more information about all the sponsorship
Correct. Oo. Ang
Perks.
daming actually perks and
Yeah.
benefits.
Benefits, madami talaga.
Na hinanda po namin sa mga sponsor na
Yes.
talagang makukuha nyo yung value by by being part of it and supporting us.
Yeah,
yes.
yes.
At saka hindi lang yon. You could also email faripasacramento@gmail.com to if you want more information.
interested,
Yes.
definitely.
And we just became actually official last
Yeah.
week.
Correct.
Yeah, so I'm very
Yeah.
happy and very proud
Yeah.
na finally, maraming nagtangka na umpisahan to,
Yes,
di ba?
aha.
But it's a lot of work behind the scene.
Correct.
You know,
It
it's
is.
not easy.
Ito nga sinabi ko sa iyo, Elizabeth, nung
Correct.
tinanong mo ako eh.
Yes,
Sabi
tell
ko, Bin,
me.
gagawin. Sabi ko, Elizabeth, unang-una, may oras ka pa ba dyan? Ito talaga, tinanong niya ako eh, Bin, gagawin ba natin to? Sabi ko, Elizabeth, napakaganda. Sabi ko,
Oo
I
nga.
love it.
Yes.
Pero time ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. And you know what, guys? Totoo naman kasi there is a lot of effort, a lot of time,
A lot of
of
work.
meetings, di ba?
Yes, oo.
Going throughout
A
the
lot of
LLC or the
planning.
articles, di ba? Madami
Articles
yan.
of incorporation.
Yes, madami yan. So,
you know, getting a non-profit,
Yeah.
501c63,
Yeah.
all that.
So there's
It's
a lot
not
of time
easy.
effort talaga.
Correct,
no?
oo.
Pero I think for me,
Mhm.
it is I'm glad kasi we're actually the first one here in
The founding,
Sacramento.
the founding
Sacramento.
members, yeah.
So
Mhm.
I hope that we can build this one correctly, nice, and we'll be able to put
We
some,
will
Yun ang
build
ano
it.
natin,
We
oo.
will build it,
Yeah.
you know,
Yun naman oo.
na matatag, strong, and
Ah.
at the same time, we make sure na magiging what we call is ongoing.
Ongoing. I
Yes.
can already vision how this is gonna be big. This is going to be big, you know.
Yes.
Sa mga event natin, may kita natin, wow.
Oo
nandiyan
nga.
na.
At saka
Vision na
talagang,
ako, ah.
hindi lang yun,
Oo.
talagang Pinoy flavor.
Hindi, Pinoy flavor talaga. Sa sponsorship na lang, di ba? Perlas, ginto, diamantes.
Exactly.
Doon pa lang, panalo
Yes.
na.
At saka di mo ba napapansin tuwing
Oh.
meeting natin, ang pagkain natin Pinoy touch.
Oo nga eh.
Kanina nag-Jollibee tayo.
Jollibee. Ano kaya susunod? Para pero I love it. I love it. I really and I
Yes.
love our members as well. I hope you guys could meet them. Pero next time,
Yes,
dali
opo.
natin sila
Yes.
dito,
Kung
okay?
interesado po kayo
Oo.
na, na maging member, just reach out to
Oo,
us.
oo.
We'll definitely, send you information to become member
Uh-huh.
of the FARIPA. And I'm telling you, this is such a good platform
It
for
is.
all the
It
entrepreneurs
Yes.
within the real estate industry.
Correct. If you're looking
Yes.
to be number one, to have networking or to be connected with a lot of other entrepreneurs as well,
Yes.
it's one of the best places, one of the
Yeah.
best organizations. that we
Hindi,
can
tsaka
have.
hindi lang yun. I know there's a lot of information, di ba,
Correct.
sa internet, okay?
Mhm.
Even AI and all that. Pero iba pa rin when you talk to a person.
Yeah, pag nandyan, personal touch talaga.
Personal.
Mhm.
Kasi ito through experience eh. This is not just a gathered, facts.
Mhm.
This is experience.
Mhm, mhm, mhm.
Di ba?
Yes,
Hindi
yes.
naman natin pwedeng maturuan ng
Correct.
experience ang
Mhm.
artificial intelligence.
Correct.
Di ba?
Correct,
They're
totoo
just
yan.
gathering
Walang
what-
feelings yun eh.
Exactly.
Information lang. Di ba?
Exactly.
Iba yung pagkausap mo, nandyan, nagtatawanan kayo, nag-exchange kayo
Correct.
ng information,
Yes.
collaboration sa mga ibang ideas is right there.
Yes.
Diba?
Oo. At saka masaya.
Masaya.
Masaya tayo.
Excited na ako sa mga events natin. Parang napipil ko na.
Okay. I mean, just a little bit of sneak peek sa mga events na gagawin natin.
Una, tignan nyo muna yung ano namin our TikTok.
Ay, actually, di-launch po namin, kung hindi po ninyo
Oo,
alam,
nag-TikTok tayo.
meron po kaming launch TikTok for everyone to actually see us with ating
All the members,
galing
within
mong sumayaw, galing mong sumayaw.
Pero pareho lang kasi yung kano ko eh. Parehong kaliwa yung pao. Kaya sa
Okay
taas lang
lang
ako
yun.
magaling eh.
Wala nga, kaya nga katuwaan lang
But
naman.
I'm really, really proud that we're doing this and I believe that it's going to be a very successful organization.
Yes, mabuhay
Yeah.
po ang
Mabuhay
lahat
tayong
ng
lahat
Pilipino.
dyan. Mabuhay tayong lahat
Mabuhay
dyan.
po tayo,
Kaya,
yes.
and then also, we're gonna try to invite naman yung mga kasama natin within FARIPA, di ba? Sana
Yes.
sa susunod, invite natin
Oo,
sila as a
i-
guest here.
Yes,
di ba?
oo, obviously. Para naman
Oo.
makita natin na, ano ba? Na,
Sino-sino ba itong mga kasama
sino-sino
nito
ba to?
sa FARIPA?
Naiintriga ba ako?
Oo.
Yes,
Oo,
correct.
kaya-
Oo. So,
Yeah.
ikaw, may I ask you, bakit parang, what made you decide to join as a board of director for
Good
the
question.
Filipino
Good
American
question.
Real Estate Professional Association here in Sacramento?
Correct. Well,
Anong nag-udyok
nag-push
sa'yo?
sa akin, nag-push
Nag-udyok.
sa akin. Unang-una, siyempre, hindi kita mahindian, Elizabeth.
Naku naman, ganun
Unang-una.
pala ako kalakas
Hindi,
kay Alvin.
Hindi naman. Kasi we work together eh.
Yes,
diba?
oo nga.
And of course, it's only right for me to also be part of kung ano man yung vision mo here
Correct.
in Sacramento. Sacramento is also my market. Market ko na rin to eh.
Ay, oo naman. Ang
Diba?
dami mo nang tinulungan dito.
Market ko na
Ano
rin.
ka ba?
Market ko na rin ng Sacramento.
Pwede
So it's
na lang,
only
dito ka na tumirin.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang talaga ako.
Oo nga.
Kung pwede lang, alam mo naman kung bakit, pero
Oo,
kung pwede
yeah.
lang, I will.
Yeah. So tell me why?
Unang-una, yun ang unang-una, I work with you, market ko na rin to. It's only right for me to be part of this, organization that really caters in Sacramento area, right?
Yes,
Unang-una. Number 2, I've never really been in any
non-profit.
Hindi pa ako nagjo-join talaga. Marami nag-invite before, even sa mga alam mo na sa Bay Area. Pero like I said, I've never really put a think of
Time
it.
or think of it.
And now parang I guess it's right timing as well.
It's the right timing. Okay.
And the vision that we have and the mission.
Oo, tingnan mo naman, catalyst for professional growth and community.
Kasi marami din namang iba dyan eh. Marami din, right?
Mhm.
Now, I'm not saying, pero parang nung nakita ko yung vision natin tsaka yung mission natin, parang it's only right to do it.
Yeah.
So
At saka hindi lang yun. I mean, ang bigat na word sa akin yung leading with a purpose.
Correct.
Para bang, oh my God, this is not about me. This is about the people I'm gonna touch and help.
Correct.
Diba?
And that's gonna be our difference. Kapag naging member kayo ng Faripas Sacramento
Yes.
chapter, it's not just because you're a member.
Hindi
We
kasi,
will have a purpose. We will
Yeah.
put value on you. We will be part. You will be part of it as well.
yeah, and then not only that, I think the fact na may care.
Mhm.
May care tayo,
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
So, para bang it's gonna be a one big family.
Correct.
Diba?
Oo.
So parang kapamilya ang magiging treatment
Yeah.
namin sa inyo once you become a member.
And I can just vision it. It's gonna be so nice to see a lot of people in our events.
Correct. Oo,
all
teka muna.
growing,
Ano bang
sarap.
mga
Marami na
nai-envision
ako
mo mga
naisip
event?
eh.
Alam mo ako, number one, yung karaoke
Oo.
contest.
Siyempre.
Kasi alam mo naman tayo mga Pilipino, hindi mawawala ang karaoke.
Yan ang number one dyan.
Diba?
Mga,
Okay.
mga ano natin, yung mga pangalan nito, naisip natin, yung mga
Yung alin?
parang bar, hindi naman bar, parang yung ano parang to.
yung barbecue.
Hindi, barbecue. Magkakaroon tayo ng barbecue.
Oo nga,
Right? Mga
sinabi
ganyan.
mo. Oo.
Definitely. And I can only imagine din sa mga holidays event natin, may banda tayo dyan, for sure yan.
Hindi, kasi nga sa ganito, iniisip ko sa mixer natin.
Yeah, mixer pala. Mixer,
sa monthly
I'm sorry.
mixer, magsaserve tayo ng San Miguel beer.
Yun.
Yeah, o
San
kaya
Miguel beer.
yung red, ano ba na?
Red Horse.
Red Horse,
Oo.
yes. Yung mga talagang Filipino flavor
San
na.
Miglite. Mga ganyan. Marami
yung mga talagang mga, ito lang ba yung opportunity na parang nasa Pinas ka?
Tsaka we will have entertainment. For sure yan. Kasi alam mo naman
Syempre,
na
kailangan
nandito tayo eh.
Kailangan natin ng
Mga
banda
entertain-
na
Oo,
tutugtog.
maski acoustic muna sa mga ano natin, mix and drink
Sinabi
natin.
mo,
Acoustic
correct.
lang muna.
Oo nga.
And then everybody will be singing. Di ba? Free.
Yes, of course.
Alam mo naman tayo, mahilig tayong kumanta. Lahat tayo. So,
Sinabi mo,
I'm
yan.
sure it's gonna
Okay.
be fun.
Besides the karaoke, barbecue, ano pa ba nga naiisip mo?
Mga events. Wala dyan yung ano nating event natin sa...
First-time homebuyer programs.
First time home buyers programs.
Yes,
Maraming
oo.
event na
Ano
mga
pa?
ganyan.
May mga investor classes din tayo if you're
Correct.
thinking to what do you call this, to invest in
Yeah,
real estate,
yeah,
right? Also yung estate planning.
Estate
Like
planning
yung I
natin.
know marami akong kliyente na wala silang mga trust, right? So we will definitely have like invite an attorney that will kind of
Correct.
explain to them and educate them,
Sa mga
diba?
taxes. Taxes.
Also,
natin.
tax classes.
Tax classes natin.
Yes.
It's just a
ang
lot of,
dami.
marami na kami naiisip in line, pero I'm just saying that I'm very excited because all these events are also giving information, reaching out to all the people to kind of like, put value kung may mga kailangan kayo sa mga iba't ibang levels na kailangan ninyo.
Correct.
Yeah.
Oo.
Taxes man o first time home
Yes.
buyers man o. Yeah.
Okay, and then also, we're gonna actually have a scholarship.
Yun.
Isa yun sa mga actually magiging mission natin na to provide scholarship for like aspiring
Entrepreneurs.
young entrepreneurs.
Yes, young
Kung
entrepreneurs.
halimbawa, nag-iisip silang gusto nilang maging realtor
Yeah.
or maybe pursue nursing
Yeah.
or whatever, business class or whatever that is. We will, antabayanan po ninyo
Yes,
yan.
yes.
That's gonna be one of our mission in this
Yeah.
in this platform.
It's huge. It's huge. I mean, like I said, Fariba, it's huge. It's a huge organization, and I think there is a lot of work, but I think we're gonna make it. I'm excited.
Yes.
I'm so
Oo
excited
nga,
about
excited.
it.
Oo nga.
And this is just our first time, kind of like telling this to you guys, but you're gonna hear it from us every time. Kasi
Yes.
we want to make sure that we reach out to as many as we can as far as people that we want to be able to have a
Yes.
who
oo.
can join or become a member.
Okay, so tell me, parang hindi mo masyado nasagot yung
Ano yun?
yung tanong ko
Ano ba
dahil
yung tanong mo?
bakit ka nag-join ng Faripa? Besides, because I encourage you to join.
Yeah, yun
It's
nga.
time. What else?
Ang unang-una na, nung nakita ko yung vision natin, tsaka yung purpose or yung mission natin, nagustuhan ko right? It's not all about just being in one organization and become a member and that's it. Parang we have a purpose, number one. Number two, like I said, I've never been into one before. Parang feel ko lang na this is the right one and I think it's time. Kasi again, at the end of the day, lagi tayong busy pero, this is, I feel like it's the right time. I just want,
Ako naman, gusto mo akong tanongin.
Tsaka gusto ko rin tumulong.
Yes,
Nung
I'm glad.
sinabi mo sa akin to, Alvin, I'm gonna do this. Ito yung mission natin. Ito yung vision ko. What do you think? Tinanong mo ako yan, di ba?
Correct.
Ano sinabi ko sa'yo? May oras ba tayo dyan, di ba? Oh,
Kasi we're
di ba?
busy as the way
Diba?
it
Yun na
is.
nga.
But you know what?
Yeah.
If there's a will, there's a way.
Tama ka.
If you really know how to manage your time,
Time,
and really dedicate like a certain day or a
Yes,
certain time,
Yes.
you
yes.
will make time.
Correct.
You know what I mean?
Yun nga. So, like I said, time is gold. Pero nung nakita ko yung vision natin at saka nung nakita ko yung purpose or yung mission natin, I said, yeah, it's a good thing.
Yes,
Yeah.
oo.
Ikaw?
Ako naman,
Oh, bakit?
actually,
Lalo ka na, busy ka na, may team. Ito isa-isahin ko lang. May team na siya, right? Busy pa siya, listing machine pa. I mean, yun yung ibig ko sabihin. Sang pa?
alam mo kung saan ako
Meron pa teka mo na, meron ka pang church, sa church pa.
Sa Papa Christ.
May open house pa. Paano ba yan? Paano ba to?
Teka
Sige nga,
muna.
tell me.
Alam mo kung saan
Okay.
ako umuhugot ng lakas?
Saan?
Alam mo
Okay.
sa Diyos na may kapal.
Of course.
Alam mo
Lahat
talagang
naman tayo.
minsan iniisip ko, sabi ko, my God, sa edad kong to, sa ko ba nakukuha yung lakas ko
Oo.
na para akong hindi napapagod,
Oo.
di ba?
But it's
Alam-
because there's a meaning di ba? If you're doing something meaningful, di ba? Right?
Parang hindi mo
Hindi mo
nararamdaman.
Hindi
mo
trabaho.
nararamdaman yung pagod.
Hindi mo nararamdaman yung trabaho, hindi mo nararamdaman yung what you're putting in, yung
Correct.
even the stress. Hindi, it's just so meaningful. Parang it doesn't
parang
matter.
nag-i-enjoy ka
Yeah,
rin,
it doesn't
di ba?
matter anymore.
That's what you
Yeah.
call passion.
Passion talaga.
Oo, parang kasi nag-i-enjoy ka na, hindi mo nararamdaman yung pagod.
And I
Ganun.
really wanna thank your partner kung sasabihin ko talaga si Charlie. Grabe. Sa
Oh
totoo
my
lang.
God, yes.
Kung siguro wala siya, nako.
Alam
paano
niyo
ba
po,
yan? Di
alam
ba?
niyo po yung
Ayun.
aking mister, siya po
Oo.
ang number one supporter ko. Anything I do and everything I do, he's the one that
Ay,
actually
nako.
do everything behind the
Oh
scene.
my
And
gulay.
laging total support lang siya sa akin. O sige, mahal.
Oo.
Gawin mo yan, tutulungan kita.
And then thank you rin sa wife ko, si Lydia,
Oh,
sa
of
support.
course.
Grabe. Alam
Yeah, si
naman niya.
Lydia.
Parati na rin ako nandito sa Sacramento.
Oo nga.
Para, Sacramento ka na naman. Oras ka uwi. Diba? Ganun.
Wag na-
Yes.
Hindi. Pero para sa kabutihan ng
Totoo yan,
ng mga
totoo
taong
yan.
mamayanan.
Totoo yan. So, totoo naman yan. Kaya nga, alam mo, happy talaga. Talagang, I can tell you this right now talaga, Elizabeth, that I'm happy to be part of it. I'm so proud to be part of it. And thank you for the opportunity.
Yes,
in
oo.
having me in
Hindi,
Felipa.
I mean, and thank you too. Kasi alam naman natin, this is a volunteer work. Hindi po kami nababayaran
Nada.
for non-profit.
Nada talaga, wala
for building
talaga.
a non-profit
Oo.
or maintaining or running a non-profit. Everything, all of these are just like for the goodness and goodwill of,
Yeah.
goodwill
What
and
we
goodness
can
of
do.
your heart. Ganon.
Totoo
oo.
yan. Totoo yan.
Yeah.
Wala.
So ako naman, sabihin ko sa'yo,
sige nga.
actually,
Mm.
I was hosting an open house.
Oh.
So itong si Joe
Yates,
Yates from
oh.
yung loan officer sa
From
US Bank.
Okay.
Yeah, oo.
Okay.
We were in El Dorado Hills. Nabanggit niya sa akin, sabi niya, Elizabeth, why don't you start why don't we start opening a Sacramento chapter for Faripa? I said, I never heard of them. What's
Faripa.
that?
Ako nga rin eh. Sabi
Oo
ko,
nga.
Faripa.
Yes,
Okay.
oo. So, ngayon, dini-research ko, gano'n.
Wow.
Tapos, tinawagan niya si Tigran.
Oo.
Siya yung presidente sa Faripa, Silicon Valley.
Silicon Valley. Okay.
Malaki ang
Thank you, Tidran.
ang Faripa sa Silicon
yeah.
Valley. They're huge. And then, usap-usap,
Oo,
ganon.
oo.
Tapos nag-Zoom meeting. So sabi niya, okay, if you guys are really serious, sabi niya, why don't you drive here in San Jose? Because we have our event. I want to meet you guys in person.
Wow.
So ako, si Joe Yates, si
Aha.
Bella D. Epley, at saka
Aha.
si Orlando Dalisay.
Mhm.
So kami yung apat na officers. So we met with them. And then, ganun nga. So, speaking of that, marami na akong mga parang,
Nasamahan dati.
narinig na a lot of people are trying to really keep it up, keep it running. Like, umpisahan ang Faripa dito sa Sacramento. But for some reason, I guess,
Hindi natutuloy.
Hindi natutuloy.
Okay.
Kasi it's a lot of work.
It is.
Yes,
It
oo.
is.
It took us a while to get, but thank you so much
Yeah.
for RIPA Silicon Valley San Jose
Yes,
for
yeah.
really guiding us. So
Mhm.
si Tita Ann at saka si Tigre,
Thank you guys.
they've been
Thank you.
really instrumental
Yes,
of
yes,
getting
yes.
us,
Yeah.
off the ground.
Nice.
So, and I'm very grateful for the board of directors
Yeah.
and all the officers, how they really spend their valuable time to really plan and
Mhm.
get it going.
Mhm.
And with God's grace,
Yes.
we were able to, launch it. And I'm very proud of everyone.
Yes.
At mabuhay po ang mga
Yes,
Pilipinong
yes,
mamayanan
yes,
that
yes.
we were able to open it here.
Yeah.
Now we have representation, we have a voice,
Yeah.
and for sure, we will give value to everyone and promote, our culture, elevate,
Yeah.
professionalism, maintain excellence, so forth, so
Yes, yes, yes. And again, sana sa our next episode natin, we will introduce our
Yes,
members of Sacramento chapter.
Yeah, our officers and board of directors.
They're all great.
Yes.
They're all, also excited, all
Very
committed.
excited.
All
Yeah,
committed. Talaga.
Yeah.
Oo.
Every time,
Yeah.
did you notice? Every time we have like a meeting,
Mhm.
we have like 100% attendance.
Yes.
Isn't
yeah.
it that's amazing?
Yeah, amazing.
I mean,
yeah.
I'm like kind of
Yeah.
really, wow.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
everyone is like,
Oo.
at saka nakakatawa.
Tsaka sino yung magti-tiktok pang mga member? Yun ang tanong doon eh. Walang
Hindi, officers.
as officers
Yeah,
nga.
yeah, oo.
But anyway,
Everybody
yeah,
game sila eh.
Game sila.
Di ba? Hindi sila nahihiya kahit yung parehong kaliwa mga paa
Yeah.
nila.
check out niyo po kami sa Faripa. Sa Faripa, anong IG natin?
Yeah, we're gonna be opening up
okay.
for RIPA SAC Instagram handle.
Instagram, okay, so you can
Yes,
see. But right now,
yes.
it's all in our Instagram right now. You can check
Yes,
it out.
you could
Yeah.
definitely check it
You
out.
will see the member.
Yes,
board
and
members
we're,
there.
we're very happy.
Yeah.
So besides that, Alvin,
yes.
okay, nag-usap kami ni Joe Yates, di ba?
Yes, oo, nga pala.
So sabi ko, paano mang ginagawa dyan? I don't even have experience
Yeah.
of running a non-profit. Or I'm already been busy. The only closest experience I ever had was I was interviewed by Balpapa, I think.
Balpapa.
Yeah, it's like Bayanihan something here
Okay.
in Elk Grove
Okay.
for board of director. Okay, but I did not know what it
What it
was.
was, okay.
I have no experience, but I just really want to help. Pero at the end of the day, I think I found the right tribe. Kasi besides, of course, Filipino, yung elevating professionalism.
Yes.
Kasi share ko talaga yung knowledge ko in real estate for the last 18 years.
Yes, yes,
You know what I
yes,
mean?
yes, yeah.
So, bukod sa matutulungan ko yung mga kapwa Pilipino na, ano mong tawag dito, na magkabahay or promote
If
yung mga entrepreneurs. Kasi alam naman natin, 87% of, realtors have a failure rate in this business.
Yes.
So, kasi mahirap eh. It's not an easy business becoming a realtor.
Yes.
You're like alone, like really struggling in a big ocean trying to sink or swim. So, at least I'll be able to help other Filipino realtors and have that collaboration, help them. They could also help me, and the connection that I will be able to give to all
course,
the
yeah.
Filipino
So
community.
yeah, again, this is all about connecting, right? Sharing, like, like what I know as well as a loan officer. I've been doing this for almost 18 years, and I can also share my knowledge, diba? Tama ka, that's one of the reasons then.
Yeah, at saka
I wanna
hindi
do
lang
this.
yun. I think it's about time, and I think it's God's grace din na maybe it's a call for me.
Yeah.
Kasi I'm gonna be honest with you,
Mm.
madamot ako
Madamot.
pagdating sa time.
Of course.
Kasi I'm so busy. You know what I mean?
Kaya nga tinanong kita eh. Sabi ko sa'yo, sigurado ka ba, Elizabeth? Wala
So-
na, oh.
So I'm busy servicing clients. You know,
Yeah.
I have a husband. I
Yeah.
have 2 sons. I know they're
Yes.
adults now, and also running a team, a 7 agents team. So it's not easy. Pero alam mo talagang kapag ipagkakaloob niya sa'yo, he will actually kinda arrange your time to make it happen.
Correct.
Kaya talagang sabi ko,
Parang
please,
everything just falls
fall
through
into
together.
place.
Yeah.
So talagang nagpray ako na sabi ko, please,
Kung
Lord,
ito na.
tell me para ba sa akin to? Do you want me to lead or ano bang what's my purpose? Why?
Yeah.
So parang talagang everything happened so smoothly.
Yes. Yeah.
And God gave me the right people and all
Yeah,
these people, this right community.
Yeah.
And I'm really, really glad.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yeah,
Di ba parang ganun ka rin?
Yeah. I'm glad and I'm excited. Honestly, I'm glad. I'm excited. And I mean, I wish I could tell you more because I'm
Yes.
feeling really, really blessed of being a part of this. But anyway, this is
But-
just the first taste
Correct.
of what we have.
And,
We definitely need to go ahead and talk about it more.
Yes,
Yeah.
and we are excited. And please don't forget to follow us. Our Instagram handle for Ripa Sacramento. And thank you again for tuning in here at
Bye, Pinoy sa Tate. We'll see
Thank
you
you,
soon, guys.
everyone.
I'm excited. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.